Hello friends, subscribe to my channel The Nerdy Cook Gayatri Mune and do press the bell icon so that you will never miss any updates. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is The Nerdy Cook Gayatri Mune and it's been a long time since I haven't uploaded any video on my YouTube channel. It was because I had my 12 boards and finally after a long gap I'm back on YouTube now and I have finally finished my boards. And today I'm going to show you a different kind of recipe. Now this is a kind of recipe which is really versatile. It is a type of corn salad which you can use in many dishes. So without getting any ado, let's get started with the recipe. So first of all, for making this corn salad, we are going to need some boiled corn. Now this is boiled corn which I have boiled for about 5 to 6 minutes and also I have added some salt into this. And the things we need more are some chopped onion. Here I have taken about a medium sized chopped onion and some coriander and a lemon wedge, some red chili powder. I have some mayonnaise here. Then this is some chaat masala, some chopped tomato and again some tomato ketchup. So first of all we are going to add all the vegetables into this corn. Here I am adding a medium sized onion which I have chopped finely. And along with this onion, we are also going to add the chopped tomato. If you want, you can also add some bell peppers here. Now into this I am going to add about half a spoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Now Kashmiri red chili is a milder version of chili. You can also use some smoked paprika here and some red chili. Along with this I'll also add some chaat masala and some coriander leaves. I'll reserve some coriander leaves again for the garnishing and add just half of them now. Now I'm also going to mix in the tomato ketchup which I have taken. Now you can see that the quantity of tomato ketchup is less than the quantity of the mayonnaise. So this is only about half a spoon of tomato ketchup which I'm going to use here because tomato ketchup is a bit tangy. And also now I'm going to add a small bowl of mayonnaise into this. You can also use any flavored mayonnaise if you have. And now I'm just going to put some lemon juice onto this. You can adjust the quantity of lemon juice according to your preference because already the mayo and the tomato ketchup have made it really tangy. So I would recommend you to use only about a wedge of lemon. And now I'm just going to mix it all together. So guys, now we are done with our corn salad and I'll just serve it onto a plate. So guys, now our corn chaat is ready to serve and also I have served this with some wheat tortillas or you can also call it as wheat nachos. And this is a corn salad that is very versatile, so you can also use it in burgers, salads and even as a dip. So guys, thank you for watching my video and if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching guys. Bye.